Hello, my name is Alexey Petrov. I'm a Director of Quality, Reliability and Sustainability at GVA Lighting.
My name is Nick Makarenko. Currently I'm in the role of Manager Product Data Management at GVA Lighting.
Hello, my name is Mikhail Bykov. I joined GVA about 3 years back, and now I'm here and managing the Kinetic solution.
GVA Lighting is the architectural lighting company. We design and manufacture and sell all around the globe, not just the fixture itself, it's the systems in general. The complexity of the projects demand really complex systems to be in the place. It requires a lot of customizations and a lot of changes to be implemented. That's why the ERP system, Kinetic, and ECx Manager, they help us to address all these issues.
Since I've been here, I've been in the beginning of the implementation of the QBuild solution. We achieved more accurate planning in the production orders. The planning team started to pay more attention to certain dates and parameters and the planning techniques they use.
The QBuild engineering change management software integrated with our ERP system played a crucial role in meeting the core requirements of ISO 9001:2015 and ISO 14001:2015 for quality and environmental management systems, QMS and EMS. It provided full traceability from start to finish, maintaining a comprehensive record of all actions and automatically committing changes to our ERP system. As a result, we achieved ISO certifications without any non-conformances.
The team at QBuild, we are happy with them. They are always responsive. They address our issues on time. Don't hesitate to propose something out of the box. Sometimes really interesting solutions, like we don't even expect those solutions, but they propose them. And they are willing to accept our customizations. Like even recently, we implemented a couple of customizations with ECx Manager. So yeah, we are very happy with QBuild team, I would say.
More than a compliance tool, QBuild drives continual improvement, ensuring changes are implemented correctly, protecting product quality, and enhancing customer satisfaction.
If the company has an engineering department, with QBuild solution it works excellent. I can say that it's perfect for resolving all the engineering change requests and problems related to the release of the new products.
Before I was in charge of the whole production, operations and so on, and I know very well all the issues. And in the case of ERP system, we used to have very old ERP 1, 2, 3 system, which did not deliver to our expectations at the moment. We overgrew this system in the past, and we were looking for something more advanced, which would deliver not just for organizing the production and process, manufacturing process, but to address all the issues with the customer service, with the product data management, implementing changes, with all the processes to be streamlined in our case. And that's what we found with Epicor, I guess. And so far, like 4 years from now, I believe, around 4 years, we are using Epicor system, and now it's Kinetic. So far, we are happy with this software.
We are working closely to the success partners on different projects, like upgrade of the versions of the Kinetics, and also we had a few projects related to the scheduling and planning in Kinetic. It's a team of professionals, and if I address any questions, I'll always get professional answers.
Epicor and ECx Manager together, they deliver basically like 3-in-1. I would say direct connection to your 3D software, like in our case it's SolidWorks, and then addressing all the engineering changes on the go.
The Kinetic solution fits to the production companies very well.
So basically you streamline the whole process in like 2 pieces of software working together simultaneously.
I would highly recommend the combination of Success Kinetics and QBuild solution for any engineering company.
I would recommend definitely for any company who are looking for advanced ERP system and advanced engineering change management software, I would definitely recommend to work with QBuild for ECx Manager, and with 6S as the representative of Kinetic/Epicor system.
So thank you, QBuild, for very good software.